Yo, what's good, folk? This man Ryan Copeland just got done hitting with BK Jackson down here in Fort Pierce. It was stupid. I think I did pretty good too. Seeing that I got the set list like this morning. But man, we had a good time. Real good time, man. Shout out to my little brother, man. This dude here, he doing it. He is doing it. My boy flew in from Minnesota this morning. Got to fly back out at 7 a.m. Be at the airport at 5. So he doing it, man. That's all I'm gonna say. We had a blast, man. Me, Matt Edwards, my boy Elias on bass. Lord, that thing was bananas. We gonna show y'all, let these fellas speak, you know? So that's what it is.
Basically on the all the gears on another plane.
Just the guy,
Yo,
Mr. BK.
some good brownies.
Look at it, that don't make no sense.
Hey, bro,
Infamous.
I just finished, man.
I saw you looking like, what is this food doing? Why does
That's what I was looking like. I ain't know what.
Yeah, just what it is.
I don't know if you take
Wow,
a
she
picture
looks
or
tired. Hi. But yeah, it was bananas. This guy here, big ups. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yo, man. All I know is I ain't gigging with you no more.
Why not?
You got way more shine.
You funny.
Yo, I was like, yo, they was loving it, man. I was happy, bro. I was happy, man.
I was just happy that I was able to come through. That was my biggest
Nah,
thing.
man, you came through clutch, man. Clutch, super clutch, man. You showed out, bro.
Everything was good, man. But I'll take it easy till next time. Be blessed.